A section of dried corn is buried in the soil. What happens when you pour water on it? Let's take a time-lapse camera. Observe its process of change. On the fourth day, the corn kernels absorb enough water. It gets a little bit bloated. A small bud emerges from the soil. In a transparent glass jar, we can intuitively see roots and leaves complement each other. Down to up. Roots absorb water and inorganic salts from the soil. Water and inorganic salts are sent to the leaves through the stalks. The leaves are photosynthesized, carrying manufactured organic matter to the roots. Day 15. More corn sprouts. Caused a small mound. Although very crowded, but the energy of a corn kernel embryo, enough to support them to grow into seedlings. I believe you all know, the current corn cannot be kept for planting. Planting this pot of seedlings can only be viewed as a green plant. I want to eat my own corn. Still have to buy seeds. So let me show you how to grow purple corn at home. First of all, we need to raise the seedlings. Fill the seedling cup with loose and breathable soil. After the seeds germinate, the roots will grow better. These are purple corn seeds. Why is it red? Because the seed company did the coating outside. This layer of coating plays the role of sterilization, disinfection, and insect control. After the seeds are planted, watering keeps the soil moist. Here we go. We went to the market and picked up some baskets as a container for planting. These baskets are convenient, but there's a catch. It's just that the gap is a bit big. You need to cut some braid tape to spread at the bottom and around. To prevent soil leakage, now find a few empty water bottles and transform them. Make a compost artifact. Use scissors to cut the top two ends of the bottle like this. Flatten it out a bit. It can be put together well, and then use an electric soldering iron around, and at the bottom of the lower part of the bottle, perm some small holes. So a simple flying artifact is done. Put it in the middle of the basket. Refill the soil. I usually eat the leftover melon, fruit, and vegetable peels. You can put it in there. After hatching, it can become fertilizer. No matter how good it is, it will not make a big stink. After 15 days, the corn seeds germinated. Grow into seedlings. These little seedlings have purple stalks. It seems that the varieties are on the right board. When the seedlings grow like this, about to be transplanted, one basket can grow 2 trees. Take off the seedling cup. Let's see. Root system of seedlings. She looks good. Transplanting corn, we can plant deeper. In this way, it is not easy to fall in later. After all planting, pour through fixed root water. It's down to time. After 62 days, ears of corn had grown on the corn plants. Growing corn doesn't really require much management. I applied a compound fertilizer before that. Just water it at ordinary times. 86 days later, the leaves on the corn plant are slowly starting to dry up. Open one and take a look. Although the corn grown in this way, it doesn't look very big. But the particles are still relatively plump. Tender corn turns light red. When they mature, they turn purple. This corn is rich in anthocyanins. Fewer family plants. We choose a special variety. Be careful. Cook this purple corn. Put it in the pot with the coating. Never peel off all your coat. Otherwise, the appearance will fade after cooking. I don't know. I thought it was stained. The video is peeled off just to show you.